Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okay, selamat datang ke Sembang at Simpang. Okay guys, today kita masih having a session with Singapore Idol kita, Encik Hadi Mirza. Ya. Apa khabar Hadi Mirza?
Baik, Alhamdulillah. Terima kasih
Alhamdulillah.
adakan saya di Sembang and Simpang.
Yes.
Dan kepada anda yang sedang menonton, jangan lupa follow, like and share.
Alamak,
Alright.
thank you for promoting for us. Best, my idol. Woo. Okay, just now before we left off, kita tengah berbual pasal his transition from a singer to become.
Oh lah, we got transition. No, it's not a transition.
Okay. Kira basically dia sideline kira.
No lah, not sideline. Huh?
Macam nak cakap ni kira.
Not sideline lah.
Kira journey. Okay, his
journey.
new journey. Okay, new journey to become
New journey.
an established property agent.
InsyaAllah.
Next achievement.
Inshallah.
Okay. So, just now we were talking. Okay, just now he was explaining to us the difficulty in taking the RES, the challenges he goes through, kan, all these things, you know. Then, finally, after you pass, what were your thoughts?
My thoughts really bersyukur sangat-sangat because sebenarnya tak tahu boleh pass tidak. Serius tak tahu. Kan? Tapi bila dapat satu paper tu, semangat dia makin kuat lah. So definitely ini lagi satu paper. I have to
Who's
pass.
the one who push you to take?
My wife helped me a lot. My family, they're always supportive. My friends, my manager. Sulaiman.
That's why I'm going into. So that's why it's good. Tak ada itu, but that was quite some time ago. There was one time when I met him, dia tengah cuci tangan.
Then?
Dia tengah cuci tangan, dia cakap, Assalamualaikum Hadi. Terus dia cakap, Waalaikumsalam. Dah makan ke belum? Dah habis.
Ya ke?
So, that time, kat Spice. Then I tanya dia. Mana ni Malbari ni? Sebab tu, terus tanya, Di, tak ada pernah fikir nak jadi agent?
Ya.
Terus dia cakap, terus I think you say, belum lagi lah.
Belum lagi. I think maybe at 20.
That was I think, but you already become idol already lah.
Yalah.
That was, but I think it's probably around 3 or 4 years ago lah.
Ya ke?
3 or 4 years ago.
Orang ajar saya, dia cakap Adin mesti ingat, dia lupa dia.
Cannot be 3 or 4 years ago. That was time COVID and mana boleh kita kat kedai kopi. I think before that, maybe like 13, 14.
I mean timeline so lari.
Biasa lah.
Biasa
Dia dah umur ni dia memang.
betul.
Dia panggil ST.
Kau ngajar?
Dia dah umur dia panggil STML.
STML apa benda?
Short term memory loss.
Okay, ni macam dori ikan dori I'm swimming. Okay, so when you pass, that means you already got somebody who's actually guiding you?
Guiding not really lah.
Not really.
Study pun, belajar pun sendiri-sendiri je. Ada.
Okay, that means actually you all on your own.
Oh, my own.
Cuma once you pass, terus, who was the first person you got in mind?
Sulaiman and Adi.
Sulaiman Aklakan
and Adi Msejadi met me during my registration for the RES course, which was in 2023. Then I start my journey of studying and all that. Then of course after I pass, I will be under
Sulaiman. So Sulaiman, lepas tu short form Liman lah. Sebab itulah. Okay. So you when you pass, you straight away join.
Yeah, straight away.
Liman straight.
And start straight away. Pass. Waited a few weeks to collect pass kan. The day I collect pass, terus ikut big boss. Adi Msejadi.
Yeah.
Pergi shoot video dekat new apa tu.
So that one will be inside your did you post all these things inside your
my
IG?
Yeah, my IG, my TikTok.
Kira kalau dia punya
Facebook.
property semua kat dalam dia punya IG lah. You tahulah siapa dia kan. Kan? Hadi Mirza.
Kalau tak tahu, just WhatsApp je 86602496.
Nanti itu kena nanti number keluar
yang ada
kring.
Yang ada yang masyarakat yang ada tak ada TikTok, yang ada tak ada Facebook.
Yes,
mana
apa
tahu?
Apa number lagi?
86602496 86602496 kepada anda semua yang inginkan saya untuk menjadi ejen anda. Sound marketing.
Betul. Correct. Down here actually kita punya podcast ni actually we are also trying to help even other people also lah. You know, from other walks of life lah. Kira daripada Abang Daging, daripada I think there's a few of other groups lah, you know. Yeah, correct. So
That's very good,
and
yeah.
the best and this is for me is actually a wish come true or a dream come true. You know, instead of kita ada Singapore Idol.
I actually come here also to hang out with you guys, and actually bila hang out with you guys, I think I boleh belajar sedikit sebanyak.
InsyaAllah.
Tentang-
Correct. Sini semua experience.
Not only property but everything in life in general lah.
Kalau pasal agama pun boleh tanya ni. Ustaz ni
InsyaAllah. Baik Ustaz
Ni
Boleh Ustaz?
sini. Tapi azan dia ni, azan. Azan. Okay. So kira when you join Liman, kira he guides you, kira everything.
Guides
How-
me like
kira apa? How
No,
does he?
I share with Liman because since dia dah lama dalam ini line property line, so I need orang-orang yang berpengalaman seperti like you all as well, berpengalaman yang boleh guide me dari segi of course advice for the client. Kita ada some skills yang of course boleh memudahkan kita punya kerja kita dalam property dengan apps yang ada sekarang. Tapi what we don't have is experience lah. To advise clients yang sebaik-baiknya advice untuk dorang punya property journey.
Yes.
We still need people who have experience.
Experience.
Kita tak, I tak rasa lah I boleh macam just anyhow advise orang without
Correct. Because I think correct. Experience also does play a part in this.
what you have, nobody you cannot be bought. See, you cannot like.
Yeah lah, correct. We've gone through. Yeah, correct. It's true.
Okay, so I told Sulaiman, look, I need someone to, in a sense, look out for me. I mean, I will learn the ropes as much as I can from everybody else who is in synergy, right? But of course, I need someone who I can trust that can at least, orang kata tu cover lah.
You never walk alone here.
Yes,
But
correct.
when I join together with you guys, I feel like okay, I can actually so many people I can like ask, and
Correct.
everybody
You just need to be comfortable. Actually, the most comfortable person you can be. And property shop is
can.
one of the place that you can come
Right.
to.
Definitely. I feel like I can ask in synergy, right? I can ask
Synergy.
anybody. I just WhatsApp. Within like not even 1 minute, they don't reply.
Siapa
Whoever-
Siapa yang tanya sih?
And I tak pilih orang tak macam tengok ini ke tengok ni, tak. I macam I try to mingle with everybody. So I try to get the best from everybody lah.
Alhamdulillah. You see, basically a very modest Singapore Idol. Very baik tadi. Apa lagi? Okay, with regards to nanti kita berbual. I think that we got one actually somebody who asked me, you being an artist, sometimes bila you kat luar, you pernah tak mystic?
Mystic
So it seems that everybody always want to talk about this.
Sekarang yang tengah in sekarang
sekarang tengah in. Bila tengok berbual pasal mistik je kan. Even sekarang
supernatural
supernatural stuff dia punya rating shoot up like nobody
okay.
business, So kita dah ada idol. Sekarang kita tanya dia ada tak dia punya experience. Sebab apa tau, quite difficult lah, because he's always surrounded with so many people. Mana hantu nak dekat? Dekat hantu baru datang dekat, kena azan meletup kepala dia.
Actually untuk yang ada orang tu, dia punya mata diorang tak ditutup kan. Ada orang boleh nampak kan. Tapi of course kebanyakan orang macam I tak boleh nampak lah.
Ingat
kan.
boleh nampak.
Yang ada orang ada mata halus tu.
The third eye.
Mata halus lah orang kata kan.
Halus.
Tak ramai pun. Mungkin ada orang boleh ternampak lah. Terbang-terbang ke cik pon ke apa. So selama 45 di atas dunia ni tak pernah lah saya nampak. Tetapi
itu yang aku tengah tunggu. Tetapi
saya ada beberapa tahun ikut some ustaz-ustaz untuk belajar ilmu, untuk belajar Al-Quran, untuk belajar membaca dan sekian-sekian. So bila kita campur dengan ustaz-ustaz ni, of course ada ustaz-ustaz memang diorang pandai ruqyah. Kan? Memang diorang boleh handle, kena sampuk ke, kena apa orang kata? Kena
sampuk
kena sihir, kena rasuk.
Sampuk dengan rasuk lain ke sama? Sama okay, tak ada. Aku Indian saya kan
So ada one time tu of course kita dipanggil lah. Ustaz tu dipanggil tau. Terus cakap Bang Adi nak ikut tak? Gimana? Saya nak kena handle ni Ada satu si Pulan ni lah. Kena rasuk. Okay, jom kita ikut lah. Kita drive di rumah dia. Then yang kena rasuk tu perempuan yang berumur muda about 20 ke apa lah. So ustaz ni masuk kat rumah kita. Ustaz cakap okay, korang tolong pegang So kita pakai plastik lah. Tutup plastik.
glove lah.
Kita kena pegang dia. Memang tak boleh. Dia kuat lah.
Dia badan besar ke kecil?
Tak, it's just a normal 20-year-old.
Kadang-kadang 20-year-old kalau weight 100 kg
No.
pun
Normal size.
normal
Kan,
size. Okay.
Boleh dikatakan agak kurus juga. Tapi for the half an hour dia punya struggle tu kurus macam
Janganlah aku pula tengok
maybe like half an hour 1 hour I tak ingat lah. Tapi bila dia buat baca-baca
merunta
kita kena pegang dia memang baru kita dapat tahu dia memang dia bukan buat baru kita tahu kan. Kadang-kadang kita kalau nampak kita macam ini betul
biar betul ini
ada
action
that that doubt.
bila lagi nak lepaskan geram kan
tapi bila kita kena pegang sendiri the victim kan, ni bukan main-main lah. Mana betul lah kan, to yakinkan diri kita yang bahawa benda-benda halus ni ada lah. Yang ada orang tak percaya kan,
betul.
pasal dia tak nampak.
Correct. So that was one off lah.
That was I think a couple of times. Dulu saya tak ingat lah kan. Dulu ada chalet dekat Changi yang ada kena sampuk lah. Tapi kita tak tahu buat apa.
Tengok members kena
Kita muda-muda kan, azan pun tak balik. Jadi tahu dia buat apa-apa.
Masya Allah.
So that's the orang kata tu one of the moments yang I baru macam wow, ini kira first hand kita dapat tengok, dapat rasa.
So kira itu ustaz kira is there anybody in particular ustaz yang popular ni?
Tak. Tapi
Azaidros lah.
Tak Azaidros tak pergi rukiah-rukiah orang.
Dia tak dia tapi dia punya kalau syarahan there was one time right I saw kan you followed Ustaz Azaidros.
Tak follow lah. Bila dia dijemput untuk buat syarahan dekat Masjid Sultan, I was Masjid Sultan aku tak ingat I tak ingat lah. Tapi I was the moderator lah.
Okay lah. I ingat you dah jadi anak murid dia tau. Alamak, aku punya idol dah join, aku punya ustaz idol
tapi
juga.
I think,
alamak, semua idol aku dah jadi satu lah.
Tapi I think itu one of the phases that I had to go through when I was umur 32, 33, di mana nak tambahkan ilmu agama lah. Itu one of the phases that I went through. So bila went through that phase, jumpa banyak ustaz juga kan. Ustaz ni mesti ni. Ustaz pun banyak pesen. Macam-macam fashion ada.
Apa nak
tak payah cakap lah. Awak cakap. Yang ada macam-macam pesen kan. Tapi selagi ilmu yang dia ajar tu betul, then shouldn't be a problem lah kan.
Yes.
Tapi of course kita kena berguru pun kita kena pilih.
Yes. That one I agree. Tentatively because kalau satu guru terus nanti dia terus tempat-tempat belajar.
Berguru kena
Okay.
berguru
Okay.
So kena coffee.
So untuk my experience yang I boleh share mungkin yang dah ada anak-anak dan inginkan keluarga berguru, kena pilih guru yang pilih betul-betul lah.
Betul. Because kan. Okay. So back to so basically yes, correct. Kita sebab tu juga we got a lot of moderator juga. Sabar dah sampai tak ada rotan. Kalau tidak dah kena sebat. Okay. So back to
overrun ke?
Tak ada. So far okay okay. So kira back to property sekarang. So basically how do you find
property?
Yeah, correct.
Journey.
How do you find it?
Sekarang baru not even 4 months I think. Yeah,
how do you
4
find
months. How
do you find it?
I think it's very early for me. I managed to close a few with the help of friends.
Yes.
You know. by referral. I think it's I like the what do you call that, the social media side of it. I like doing house video tours and all that.
Yes, yes.
Of course, if you ask me, right now it's still early days for me. I still like a lot
a lot
to
of
learn.
things, yes.
So like today with you guys also, I'm learning a lot as well. Dari segi, of course, how you talk to client, how you guys mingle around, because
yes, correct.
because that plays a part lah, I think lah. Because
Because the-
client ada banyak, dia bukan muda je, dia orang
correct,
umur pun ada kan. So kita kena pandai layan. Kan?
Yes,
Macam I sekarang layan orang tua kan. I kena belajar lah.
okay, tak apa no. I lain orang pula urut dada. Kau tengok.
tak, I nak cakap dia tapi nanti
Tak apa. Ya, correct. I terima. Yes, correct. Okay, no problem. Relax.
So if you talk
Apa
about
lain?
if you talk about a journey, I'm really looking forward to like 1 year in, 2 years in, yang ada some of my friends yang in the class yang 3-4 tahun, see how well they do.
Yes.
So it's a very orang kata tu
Kira, yeah,
berikan semangat lah.
Yes, correct. Actually, it's always good to stay focused, and of course, in the group of friends that is positive.
Yeah. So
Yeah?
so what I find that in AMJD is like, wow, really positive. So much activities until cannot join all. I cannot join your badminton.
Tak boleh ke?
I got no
Every
time.
Wednesday, orang time buat tak buat kerja.
I wait until my lutut dah tak boleh lah.
Oh,
Sekarang tengok main bola.
Oh,
Okay.
bola.
Like I said, a lot of activities, a lot of outings, a lot of, I mean, a lot like we are
Almost every now and then.
we are overwhelmed. For me, I am overwhelmed. I mean, I told myself that if I can go for class, I go lah. But of course, I have other commitments juga lah.
Yeah,
kan.
correct.
But it's good.
Oh,
Yeah, it keeps us busy, keeps us on our toes. Kan?
yes.
Yeah, gives us motivation. And then of course, friendly competition amongst ourselves pun macam, you know.
Berapa kau close?
Yeah, that's healthy. That's healthy. Yeah.
So, okay, just now when we were outside, you were talking about the market now. Right, the market now. You say that the market is slow and a bit more difficult to sell the house. Correct. So basically, you are not the only person that's actually facing that. I think it's throughout the whole industry. At this present moment, it's a bit of a slow market.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think sometimes it's every time when agent meet dia kata kau sekarang macam kau punya unit bergerak tak?
Yeah.
So that's why it's unit bergerak. I think it's at the end of the day, it's about convincing the client on the
Like what we talked earlier.
Correct. And of course, another way yang kita berbual pasal bangkan rumah, azankan rumah, so sometimes those help, like of course, other than that is strategic marketing.
Right.
Yeah, correct. Okay, Adi. So from 1 year from now, where do you project yourself to be?
Wow. Okay. Sekarang waktu kita buat ni is almost coming to the end of the year. This is November already. The whole November, December for me is already full for my singing events. But of course, I can slate my property and all that lah. So I am right now is really coming to terms with events apa date, apa free,
yes,
apa free.
correct.
I tengah macam arrange.
Especially, is it you'll be more busy during the year end, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm now trying to assimilate,
Oh.
the dates of property macam mana gini-gini. Date apa boleh free, class boleh pergi tak macam mana. So my dates dah a bit overwhelmed the past 2-3 months lah. A bit overwhelming lah kan. For 1 year forward, I already have projects for my singing for next year. But of course for property, definitely I will want to push more.
Yes.
I have talked to apart from you guys, I have talked to a lot of other agents yang sama dengan kita lah, dengan Synergy kan. They advise me a lot. They some advice is very pressurizing. Yeah. And I tell them back. Tell them off.
Example of pressurizing.
Din, kau tak boleh, Din, kau kena gini, Din, kau kena push, kau kena ni, Din. Kau dalam setahun lah
Macam familiar dia demi
familiar. Dalam setahun aku nak kau clock 500,000 mesti boleh punya dia. Okay.
Ni bukan 5 lah kan?
No, in general, it's like that.
Ah,
In general. I don't want to say the name lah.
ah.
But in general,
Very
no,
familiar, very familiar.
but you must accept that they mean well.
Yes,
They
correct.
really
Yes,
want
yes,
you.
yes, yes.
They really
Yeah,
want to
correct.
see me
Shine.
succeed because they know I can.
Yes, yes.
So can you imagine how pressurized I feel?
Understood. In fact, actually, when you join, you should be apa?
What?
Macam should know already lah. You will be pressurized.
I know,
because
but-
you
But-
are.
I know, but still, I'm still singing pun. I'm not like completely lepaskan and then I.
Yes, correct.
So right now, in of course, in 1 year's time, of course, I would like to see personal growth more lah dari segi of course property dan juga music industry pun I'm still have projects. So if you ask me right, this 2025 right is
just starting.
since I passed right, wow, a lot of pressure.
But I think it will
pressure.
ease off as you go along when you
Of course,
start
of course.
to you know like.
But at the same time, I don't let it let the pressure get to me. I cannot. I do not. If you know me when I sing on stage, I don't have pressure at all. I do not like pressure, but to execute, I can. But don't pressure me. So if the other agents out there, you want to advise me, you must find a way how to talk lah.
Yes, correct. You are welcome here. Kita sini memang
No lah.
seimbang.
But I don't blame them because I know that dorang nak yang terbaik for me. So I really appreciate that. I told them, I really appreciate tau kau punya advice. Tapi kau tak ada cakap macam gini. Aku jam otak. Otak aku jam. Dia nak muatkan semua. Kau kena buat gini sekarang.
Sekarang.
If you do that, my otak
Kira
ada jam
nyanyi
sikit.
nanti lah. Nyanyi nanti. Kau buat duit dulu. Kau dapat buat duit, baru kau nak nyanyi, kau pergi lantai lah. Kau pegang itu mic.
Yeah, that's why. But of course, like what you said, in 1 year's time, not only in 1 year's time, in 5 years' time, also I already have a vision of where I imagine lah kan. Of course lah, dia kena ada 5-year plan kan. So this bila pass property exam is dah fit. It fits into my 5-year plan lah, insyaAllah kan.
InsyaAllah,
Kan, ya.
insyaAllah.
Walau macam mana pun rezeki tak salah alamat.
Correct,
Kan?
correct.
So all I need to do is just put in my effort and believe in myself. And if other people yang I kenal, yang ada yang kenal, how long already, if they can do it,
You
even
can do
part
it.
time also they can do it.
Dia sebab tu lah. Sebab tu.
Right.
But,
Some are doing
you know why we are laughing? Because you know.
some are doing part time.
Yes, correct.
Still can-
And still can. Some more secret agent.
Yeah.
Diorang part time tak apa. Secret agent ni.
Yeah. So like on the whole, for this year, I really just thankful lah. Really. So I cannot complain. I cannot like too much pressure ke apa. I cannot complain. I am really thankful.
You tengok basically kita punya Encik Hadi Mirza ni, he is a super busy guy, Besides property to run, he got a lot of other extra curriculum activities that need to be done also. So I am really very very thankful that you take time off to come to
why not?
our property shop at Simpang Bedok to do this particular podcast. Terima kasih
No, thank
dah
you for
banyak-banyak. But basically, this place is open. You let me know. Kalau tak,
Guys, I have the keys already to this place.
kau dahsyat. Kau dahsyat kau.
Your key is kena.
Dah, dia pakai eye retina scan. Nanti dia itu retina scan kan. Kalau orang mata lain kena cocok. Tapi insyaAllah boleh ditiarkan InsyaAllah. So kira Adi, anything that you want to say to your fans out there ke apa?
Oh, okay. For my fans yang selalu support me so long after. This is my number 1 fan also.
Alamak,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support.
Yes, correct.
I really appreciate all the years of your support. And I hope that you will give me your support if in case you have any property questions or anything regarding with your property also, you can give me your support and I will do my best to ensure that your property journey is being taken care of, insyaAllah.
InsyaAllah. Basically behind him.
Look at my team, man.
Yeah,
All the
correct.
experience I have,
Yes,
won't go wrong one.
MashaAllah. You see, this is the man. Number lagi. Repeat lagi. Number.
Oh, my number, yes.
Kasih.
My number is 86602496. 86602496.
Melayu.
Ha?
Melayu.
Melayu macam susah sikit.
Itu pertama lah aku.
8660 2496 sifar-sifar.
Kosong pun boleh lah.
86 prata kosong. 866 sifar.
Okay, tak apa. Nanti kat bawah sini ada satu digit. All the digit will come out lah. InsyaAllah. Okay lah.
Thank
So
you so
with that, okay, we... Okay.
Dia belanja sikit.
Nak belanja sikit. Ada orang cakap satu lagu ke?
Lagu ke azan?
Azan. Macam mana? Azan.
Masuk asal.
Dah habis. Tapi tak apa, boleh. Azankan
azan.
kedai ini.
Wah.
Azankan lah. Boleh lah.
Wah,
Bismillah.
azan dah lama juga tak azan. Sikit je lah, depan je.
Okay.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. Depan je.
Masya Allah.
Alhamdulillah.
You all listen to that. Alamak, macam dengar lagu.
Kalau di Simpang, jomlah sembang. Free consultation di Property Shop at Simpang Bedok. Di depan Spice, jangan malu. Masuk je.
Meletup. Akbar signing off. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.